Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shivu Maths. In this video, I will take trigonometry. I will take trigonometric concept for 10th standard student. Dear students, you already studied about triangles. Triangle means the closed figure bounded by three line segment. That is triangle now. Say consider the right angle triangle, that is ABC. See, trigonometry is related to triangles, particularly that's related to right angle triangle. See, right angle triangle means in a triangle any one of the angle is 90 degree. That is right angle. That triangle we call it as right angle triangle. So trigonometry is related to right angle triangle. See, trigonometry, that is a word which is derived from Greek word. Greek words. The three Greek words are, first one is tri, second one is gon, third one is metron. Tri means three. Gon means sides. Metron means measurement. The three sides measurement. So trigonometry is a branch of mathematics study about three sides of right angle triangle. So trigonometry means it is a branch of mathematics study about three sides and angles of right angle triangle. That is called trigonometry. It is a very important concept in mathematics, especially for higher studies. So trigonometry is applicable for finding heights and distances of the object. Say the object is too far, we find the distance of that object using trigonometric concept. Okay, that's why it is need to learn. So what is trigonometry means? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics and study about sides and angles of what? Right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. That is trigonometry. See, in the trigonometry, the first concept is trigonometric ratios. See, these are the fundamental ratios. These are also known as fundamental ratios or pillars of trigonometry. Pillars of trigonometry. See, the first ratio is sine of angle. Sine of angle. That is the first ratio. We abbreviated as sine theta. SIN, not sin. That is sine theta. We read it as sine theta. Second one is cosine of angle. So we abbreviated as cos theta. Third one is tangent of angle. We abbreviated as tan theta. So next fourth one is cosecant of angle. That is abbreviated as cosec theta. We read it as cosecant theta. Fifth one is secant. Secant of angle theta, that is abbreviated as sec theta. We read it as secant theta. One more, cotangent of angle, that is cot theta. These are the six trigonometric ratios for the three sides of the right angle triangle. So which are the three sides here? See, the three sides means you know that right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, the side opposite to 90 degree, we call it as hypotenuse side. We call it as hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse side means it is a side which is opposite to right angle. That's why that is called as hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse, HYPOTENUSE, hypotenuse. And also the remaining two sides, those two depend upon the reference angle theta. So here theta means reference angle. So in the right angle triangle, we mark any one acute angle, so that is theta. Theta means it is a reference angle or marked angle. So theta is a Greek letter which is denoted to reference angle or marked angle. See, other two sides depend upon what? Reference angle theta. Say I consider C is the reference angle, that is theta. The side opposite to reference angle theta, we call it as opposite side. We call it as opposite side. One more, the side which is adjacent to reference angle, we call it as adjacent side. We call it as adjacent side. See, hypotenuse also adjacent. See, except hypotenuse, adjacent side of the reference angle, we call it as adjacent side. So these three sides of the right angle triangle, we study about these three sides, we call it trigonometry. All of you understand? I hope you understand. So here the ratio of these sides, we can take it as sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. These are the fundamental ratios in trigonometry. I consider the ratios of one is opposite side to the hypotenuse side, so that is sine theta. Sine theta means it is a ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse side. Next we will take second one is cos theta. Cos theta is a ratio of adjacent side to the hypotenuse side. So that's why I take adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Next one is tan theta. Tan theta, that is tangent theta. It is the ratio of the sides opposite to the adjacent side. So opposite divided by adjacent side. That is tan theta. Next one is cosecant theta. See, cosecant theta is a ratio of the hypotenuse side to the opposite side. Hypotenuse side to the opposite side. That is cosecant theta. Well, next one is secant theta. Secant theta is the ratio of hypotenuse side to the adjacent side. Hypotenuse side to the adjacent side. So last one is cot theta. Cot theta is ratio of adjacent side to the opposite side. Adjacent side to the opposite side. So these are fundamental or pillars of the trigonometry, 6 ratios. One is sine theta, it is a ratio of opposite side to the hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse side. Tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse side divided by opposite side. Secant theta is hypotenuse side divided by adjacent side. Cot theta is equal to adjacent divided by opposite side. So these are the ratios. Okay, ratio also expressed in fraction now. So A is to be written as A by B. So that's why these divisions also converted into ratios. See, observe first three. See that first three. First one is sine theta, opposite by hypotenuse. Second, cos theta, adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta, opposite by adjacent. These are the first three. Observe next three. One is cosecant, hypotenuse by opposite. Secant, hypotenuse by adjacent. Cot, adjacent by hypotenuse. See, observe first three and next three. In the first three, first one is sine. First one is sine. See, second three, first one is cosecant. Observe here opposite there, here hypotenuse. In the numerator opposite, denominator hypotenuse. Here numerator is hypotenuse, denominator is opposite. Then we can conclude that sine theta is reciprocal of cosecant theta. Because numerator changes to denominator, denominator changes to numerator means that is a reciprocal of that. That's why sin theta is reciprocal of cosecant theta or cosecant theta is reciprocal of sin theta. Observe first three, second one, in the next three, second one. See, cos theta, secant theta. In the cos theta, adjacent by hypotenuse. In the secant theta, hypotenuse by adjacent. That means that is a reciprocal. Cos theta is reciprocal for secant theta. Secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. One more, third one is tan theta. In the next three, third one is cot theta. Observe here, opposite, adjacent, adjacent, opposite. Means tan theta is reciprocal to cot theta. Cot theta is reciprocal to tan theta. So these are we call it as reciprocal relation. These are called as reciprocal relation. Reciprocal relations in trigonometry. See, first one which is sin theta, which is reciprocal with cosecant theta. Reciprocal means 1 over. Or cosecant theta is reciprocal with sin theta. So both are vice versa. In the same way, next one is what? Cos theta. Cos theta is reciprocal with secant theta, or secant theta is reciprocal with cos theta. In the same way, third one also, tan theta is reciprocal with cot theta, or cot theta is reciprocal with tan theta. So these are called reciprocal relations in trigonometry. Sin is reciprocal with cosecant, cosecant is reciprocal with sin. Cos is reciprocal with secant, secant is reciprocal with cos. Tan is reciprocal with cot, cot is reciprocal with tan. See, observe first, fourth, second, fifth, third, sixth. First three, next three. So you can easily remember these. So these are the reciprocal relation. See, observe I consider sine theta divided by cos theta. I consider sine theta by cos theta. What is the sine theta ratio? Here, opposite side divided by hypotenuse side. Whole over cos theta, which is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. See now, division changes to multiplication sign, then take reciprocal of the denominator. Here the numerator is opposite by hypotenuse. Divided by denominator is adjacent by hypotenuse. Now we convert the division sign to multiplication sign by taking the reciprocal of the denominator. So now I sin theta LHS as it is divided by cos theta as it is, opposite by hypotenuse as it is, converted division sign to multiplication sign. So then take the reciprocal means the denominator is changed, means adjacent divided by hypotenuse changes to hypotenuse divided by adjacent. So hypotenuse cancel. What is the remaining? Sin theta by cos theta. What we get? Opposite divided by adjacent. See, observe here, opposite by adjacent. Tan theta, opposite by adjacent. Here, opposite by adjacent means sin theta by cos theta, we call it as tan theta. So therefore, we write tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. This is the ratio relation of trigonometric ratios. See, in the same way, we should write tan theta. We should write tan theta. Cos theta. Cos theta of reciprocal of cot theta. Tan theta is reciprocal of cot theta, no? So that's why cot theta is equal to, reciprocal means numerator changes to denominator, denominator changes to numerator. So cos theta divided by sin theta. This is ratio relation. In the same way I consider cosecant theta divided by secant theta. So what is the cosecant theta here? Hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite whole over secant theta is hypotenuse by adjacent. Again, in the last we convert division sign to multiplication sign. Here also we should convert division sign to multiplication by taking the reciprocal of the denominator. So LHS write as it is, cosecant theta by secant theta is equal to, numerator as it is, hypotenuse by opposite into reciprocal of the denominator means adjacent divided by hypotenuse. See, hypotenuse cancel. So what is the remaining? Cosecant theta by secant theta is equal to adjacent by opposite. See, observe, adjacent by opposite. What is that? Cos theta. So now we write it as cot theta. So what is that? Cosecant theta by secant theta is equal to cot theta. What is the reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta, no? Cot theta is tan theta. So that's why you should also write tan theta means reciprocal of cot, means numerator changes to denominator, denominator changes to numerator, means secant theta divided by cosecant theta. So these are the ratio relation in trigonometry. What is that? Tan theta is secant theta by cosecant theta. Cot theta is cosecant theta by secant theta. Reverse, numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. In the same way, tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, then cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. So these trigonometric ratios are very important. These are the basics in trigonometry. In higher classes, these are very important. That's why you need to learn in high school only. This is a basic. I hope all are understand. So today class we discussed about three sides of the right angle triangle. Which are the three sides? One is hypotenuse, second one is opposite, third one is adjacent. See, hypotenuse is always depend upon right angle, the side opposite to right angle, then it is called hypotenuse side. Other two sides, opposite and adjacent, these two depend upon theta. If we mark angle C is the theta, then AB is the opposite. Suppose I consider one more triangle, right angle triangle PQR. In that right angle triangle, right angle at Q. So which is hypotenuse here? PR is the hypotenuse because the side opposite to 90 degree. Other two sides depend upon marked angle. Suppose I marked P is the theta. So opposite side to reference angle, that is opposite side, and the remaining is adjacent. These three sides are very important. Understand? I hope all are understand. So after this, trigonometric ratios are 6 ratios: sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Easy to remember means SOH. SOH means sin theta is opposite to hypotenuse. Opposite divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta is CAH. CAH means cos theta is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Then you divide these two, sin divided by cos. Sin divided by cos, we get tan. Then you got tan means the reciprocal of first 3 is the next 3. Reciprocal of first 3 is next 3. See, reciprocal of sin, cosecant. Reciprocal of cos, secant. Reciprocal of tan, cot. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios, and the reciprocal relation, then ratio relation. These are very important for higher class. Okay, thank you. ಮುಂದೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸೋಣ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.